Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Jaypal. Now I am going to explain about the importance of control panel in the system. Okay, these are the components and also settings of the system and also user, everything hardware and software. Okay, one by one I am going to explain. Okay, the first one is the action center. This is the issues. This contains the issues with the PC. Okay, action center. This will take action. And the second one is administrative tools to configure settings like local security policy, print management, and also performance monitor, and like a task scheduler, mainly PowerShell modules, diagnostic tool, and firewall. Okay, all these comes under administrative tools. And the third one is autoplay. Okay, this contains automatic plug and play of your CDs, DVDs also. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh shit. And then backup and restore. This is for backup of your OS system state and also volumes, everything. And restoration and BitLocker drive encryption. This is for protect your system using BitLocker drive encryption. Means after you take up the backup, you need to provide the backup will convert it to encrypt. It will automatically encrypt to some other disk. Okay, it will provide a smart card authentication and also password authentication. Okay, for securing data. And the color management for displays, scanners or printers. Color, you need to manage the color. Credentials manager, passwords like important passwords, Windows credentials, user credentials, date and time to change the date and time, and also time zone of your computer. This is you have to go to this default programs. What are the programs? Choose which programs you want to Windows to use for activating like web browsing, motion code. Default programs. What are the default programs your system has? Okay, then desktop gadgets like this: clock, calendar, app, and CPU meter, and also currency, feed headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather, also Windows media. I am going to select CPU meter. Okay, right click, add. Okay, let's see where it was added. Okay, you have seen that CPU usage, how much the CPU is utilizing. Okay, and comes to control panel. Okay, the next one is device manager. Okay, for each and every device attached to your system. Okay, this contains batteries and Bluetooth radios, computer, monitors, keyboards, and like a mic and other devices, mainly universal USB ports. Okay, and also sound system. Okay, this comes under device manager. And finally, the next one is devices and printers. Okay, this is for additional adding or removing of your devices and also printers. Okay, and then display. This is a display of your system window. This is a medium size. Okay, you can observe here. Okay, you want to apply this, click on OK, apply. Okay, then
Okay. Amazon అంటారు ఓకే
flash
ఓకే
player. Then leave it ease of access center. That is not more important, but okay. Flash player 32-bit is a default. Folder options. Okay, and this contains general tab, 3 tabs: general, view, and search. Okay, general tab includes open each file in the same window or open each folder in its own window. Single click, double click, show all folders, automatically expand to current folder. Now this is not good. Okay, and then view of always show icons and thumbnails like that. If you want to don't show hidden files, if you want to hide some folders, you can click don't hide hidden files. Okay, then you can click OK. Fine. And this is fonts. Just wait. This is what are the different fonts are available. Now find a character, change font size, adjust clear type text, also a number of settings available regarding font. Okay, and getting started. Okay, go on and find out what's new in Windows. So what are the new features in Windows 7 are available on online. Okay, and home group. And then also home group. Okay, leave it. It's not this is also not important. This is not important. When it comes to internet option, this is most important. Okay, this contains also several tabs. The first one is general tab. You can select your desired URL and set as a default URL upon opening the browser. Start with the tabs open the last session. Start with the home page. This is the better one. And if you don't want to store the history of your browsing, click on delete browsing history and exit. Upon exit, the browsing history will automatically deleted. And security. Come to security tab, internet, local internet, trusted sites. You can add trusted sites. Okay, here. And you add. This is not a picture. If you want all of this, www.gmail like twitter.com. This is a trusted site. Add. Oh, I'm sorry. Sites add to this tool must use HTTPS. Yes, this is most important. Okay, like okay, automatically added. Okay, then close. Okay, this is a restriction. If you want to restrict the sites, you need to click here. You can, like I don't want to see this like a redbook.com site add, automatically added. Okay, you click on also automatically applies. Java 32 bit is the Java plugin. So keyboard, customizing keyboard, so speed, hardware and everything. And also location and other sensors. Your system has any sensors? Okay. Okay, this is mailbox. If you have any issues with the mail server like Outlook, okay, email account setup, data files, profile setup, okay, mail certificate, mouse, okay, you can buttons, pointers, point options, also hardware, which is everything available here, and also network and sharing setup. Okay, you find the LAN here, local area connection, in properties, and also you can configure, you can provide a static IP address to here also. Okay, fine. And then okay, and then back comes back, and notification area icons. If you want to put the notifications, as I didn't capture it, doesn't require. Okay, notification. Personalization. This is very important. You want to set a background, desktop background, Windows canal, sounds, screen saver, and also number of sessions are available here, like change the desktop icons, mouse pointers, change your account picture, also. Okay, display also. Okay, and then phone and modem. Like modem, internet, and also voice over IP. For this configuration, for the configuration pro, you have to click this power options regarding battery performance. You can change the options also. Power saving. This is balanced. This is power saving. This is more brightness. Actually it doesn't take balance. Only okay. And then programs and features. The installed programs will display here only. If you want to install, select anyone. Which one you want to install, and click install. Automatically install process. And then recovery options. After you back up, you can recover the system state. Okay, that is the regional language changing. Okay, location formats, of which formats you are preferred, local location, and also keyboard and settings, administrative, like this. Okay, number of options are available here. The remote apps and desktop connections. If you want to take up the system of remote user, you can use this content. Like the sound, when it comes to sound also, speaker, playback, for recording sounds, communication, which and everything. Sound sound related speech recognition. You are using mic, or wireless mic, so you can set up. Yeah, if you want to use a setup microphone, how to set up your speech recognition tool. That is a text speech tutorial. Speaking of voice, okay, then synchronization center. Okay, I think not needed, but when you are on the network, it is useful. System. Okay, comes to system, it will show the system properties. Number of options are available. Also device manager, I think previously we saw this. Remote settings, and also system protection, and also advanced system settings. Okay, and taskbar and start menu. This is taskbar, like the taskbar, auto hide, use small icons, location, ice cream, taskbar buttons, and also start menu settings. Okay, toolbars, number of options, and troubleshooting of system. Troubleshooting. You want to uninstall programs, you have to click here. You want to uninstall hardware or any problem with hardware install, hardware and networking, also appearance and also personalization, system and security. Okay, the user accounts. If you want to change your password, you can have to click here. You can provide current password, new password, and confirm password, and a password hit also. Okay, and if you want to remove password, you have to click here. Also changing your picture. Okay, just show. I will show. I'm going to change this picture. Just observe it. Okay, it was changed. Okay, and then account name also you have to change. You can change, but changing of account type. Why? Because this option are disabled. Is it disabled? Why? Because I'm an administrator of the system. That's why. Okay, and also manage another account. We can create as administrator. We can create another account, number of accounts. Okay, and then change of users control settings. This is dedicated. This is somewhat delicate. Okay, I'm sorry. Windows workspace. Actually, I don't know about this. This workspace. No, I don't need this. Windows Defender. This scans your network problem. Also, who try to access our network. This will identify the scan. Windows Firewall. This is for private networking. It blocks incoming and outgoing unwanted connections, unwanted files. Public network. This is public network. This is private network. Okay. You want to enable or disable, you have to go here and click on turn on Windows Firewall on or off. You want to turn on, just turn it. Just Windows Mobility Center. Like mobility center, number of options are available in the single click. Display brightness. Okay, are you observing? Okay, I think I don't need to. Also muting, no. Sound system, also balanced power saver, wireless off, on off. Okay, you can manage from the Windows Mobility Center. Okay, and also action on display. I think I don't miss. Okay, synchronization center and also turn on of presentation settings. Okay, this is a single. Yeah, finally Windows update. This is most important. Why? Because Microsoft frequently releases some fixes and also hot fixes on the second week of every month. That is called Patch Tuesday. Okay, we will get install updates. Restore and updates. Okay, start change settings, check for updates, check for updates. It is checking for updates. Okay. I think I can get it. Okay. I think it's okay. And you can change the display of icons category like this. You want to change large icons, and also if you want to change the small icons like this. You can find easily. So then what it is. Good look and feel. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching.